Okay, mate. So, TLM dropped into the 100 moving average. Is there an opportunity? It's had no movement since. I don't really like it. I do and I don't. It's kind of one of those where it's do or die, and it's risky to get involved. If you look at the weekly chart, what if we just open up on a new week and do this again and pretend that's a red candle, another one right back down. So like you can see the red. This is a 2 week chart, and there's one day and 22 hours left. It's a poor candle, so I don't think there's reason to knife catch this. It's probably safer to trade a new week and see if it is green. If it is green, then all well and good, get on board. But if you knife catch this right now and you get no strength, what if a new 2 week candle does this and forms a red candle? So I just don't like the strength of it. I don't like the bearish engulfing candle. I don't like the bearish stop hunt on the highs. It's not the safest opportunity at this point. If you really want to try and get on board, well, then you probably just need to, well, I was going to say the daily, but see the 3 day is an inside bar here. I would probably prefer to say trade the new three day and see if it can do this. If it actually can get a real reversal. It's red here at the moment. Unless this flips green, it's a bit of a knife catch down here. If the new 3 day candle flips red, then maybe it might want to bounce back up. I wouldn't suggest that it would do that. It would probably do something like this if it was to actually get bullish again. Okay, it wouldn't just completely negate the candles. At least in theory, it shouldn't. But it has a history of getting these reversals. See this reversal? You would not have expected this in a way, and it just pumped straight higher. So that's what I mean. Maybe a new 3 day candle. You want it to open up but strong straight away and pump like this one did.